Bow toys.
Beep, boop, ba-doop, ba-doo, ba-doop, boop.
This is not a Morphe PR package. This is from ThredUp, and the box is judging me. I'll cover my address for all you stalkers out there. ThredUp is like a giant online thrift store, kind of. They buy name brand clothing, although if you look on their site, there's a lot of non-name brand clothing or ones that are like unknown brand, and I'm like, They buy name brand clothing and then they resell it. I have found most of my clothes from there. They have this thing where you pay, I don't remember how much it is, like $15. It's like a deposit that you put down, and they will curate you a box of clothes that they think you're going to like. And you can fill in descriptions of like what kinds of things you want, what colors you don't wear, all this. And they will give you a box of things that supposedly fit your description. One of my greatest regrets in life. Okay, that's exaggerating. Oh, I never turned this on. I did this before and I filmed it, and it was hilarious because everything I pulled out of the box was hideous. I said that I liked colorful, bright clothes with like cool patterns, and they read that as like that I'm 65 years old and I want like really terrible grandma clothes. Oh man, everything in that box was horrific. If anything, it'll be entertaining if it turns out to be another disaster full of trash. I have nowhere to put this. Okay. I'm not looking. Ooh, it's a sweater. It's a cute sweater! Oh, it's got a little bow on it! Prepare to see my disgusting hat hair. Oh gosh. It smells like soap. Is it supposed to be a crop sleeve sweater? Because that's kind of annoying. I think this might be a tiny bit... I think this might be a tiny bit too small for me, and I don't know how I feel about crop sleeve sweaters. Definitely my style, at least. I kind of like it. Okay, let's take this off. The nose. This is what happens when you cut your hair really short and then you're like trying to use product and you don't fully understand how to use product yet. Every time you touch it, it does something new, and come for the clickbait title, stay for the hair. Next. This is not like real denim, this is just made to look like denim. Button down shirt with like dots on it. Let's see how this fits. This hair. This has so many buttons. I like it. I could do like the classic trans boy bow tie situation. I'm a cliche. I mean, I have the trans boy haircut where it's buzzed on the sides and like a disaster on top. Next. Ooh, this feels soft. This feels really soft. What are you? Oh, it's a tank top. Soft and sexy, it says. Soft and sexy. I don't wear tank tops really because I mostly wear a binder, which has really thick straps. So if you imagine like really, really thick sports bra straps, and these don't seem like they cut it, but it's really soft. Like I just want to curl up in a ball in it. Next. Ooh, what are you? It's a sweatshirt, and it's got like these weird sparkly things on it. They're little sequin circles, I guess. Every time I take off the hat, it just looks worse. Ooh, it feels really soft and comfy on the inside, though. I like it. It's very comfy, and, like, it's got my sleeves. This is something. I don't know how I feel about that boat neck situation. Again, with, like, my strap situation. Because it's so wide, I don't know if I could wear it, like, out of the house. But because of these little spiky sequin things, it's not really a cuddle around the house kind of sweatshirt, so it's kind of I don't know. It also smells like sweet tarts. Somehow, I took it off, tried to flip it inside outward, and then just flipped it inside outward again. It's not just my hair that's a disaster. Next, feels very thin. Ooh. Please have sleeves. Oh, it does not have sleeves. Damn it. Maybe I could wear it like under flannel. Is it okay to wear like a star print with flannel? These are wide enough to cover, but because it's see-through, I will have to wear something underneath it. What else do we have? Phew, more sequins. More sequins. And this feels so soft. Big gold hearts. How boat necky do you think this is gonna be? Boat necky is a word now. Oh, this is so soft. That's not too bad of a boat neck situation. So, question for those in the audience who are more fashionable than me. Would it look cute to wear, like, this sleeveless thing underneath here? Is that cute? Even though it's, like, stars and then hearts. Do those go over my nipples? No. Kind of. But it's obviously part of a pattern. Not too bad when you see it as the whole. I'm a magician. Watch me strip 20 times in one video. Clickbait title. Wanna see me strip? Whoa! Ooh, it's got little hearts on it. I don't know how I feel about this, like, boy in the striped pajamas kind of situation we have going on here. I feel like they did a really good job, like, getting my style correct this time. Like, everything in here is really cute. I'm not gonna try that one on. Too many buttons. I'm lazy. Next. Oh, now that I have moved it over there, I'm realizing sweater with the hearts, it's green. For some reason, this looked like gray to me. It does. Over here, it looks gray. This is like that dress situation, but this is like a dark green. We have a cardigan. I like cardigans so much. They're so cozy. While I'm fighting with these buttons, let me tell you what I told them. And I reviewed thoroughly my last box, and I told them, like, I'm not 60. I am a young person. Please stop giving me grandma clothes. And that whenever I say bright colors, I don't mean, like, paisley. I mean, like, cute things, like hearts and stars and things like that. So they've definitely stepped up their game here. Oh man, I want to keep this. Oh, it's so soft. Cozy. But I also told them that I love bright colors and pastels, and that I love gray for some reason, which, as you can see. And they really, like, amped up the gray. Like, this is like a dark gray, but then it has like a pastel pattern. I really like this. I feel like they get me. I went on Pinterest and I made, with the express purpose of giving it to outfit subscription boxes, several outfit mood boards. So I have, like, the cutesy pastel, like, kawaii business, and then I have, like, the soft butch, you know, like, trans boy aesthetic that I'm trying to pull off. So I included 2 different ones. I also told them that I work from home. Mostly I'm going for comfort, that I want my clothes to be cozy and soft, and that I wear a lot of, like, sweaters and sweatshirts, comfy clothes. And look, they are so nailing it. It was so bad last time. Why I'm so impressed this time? How bad it was last time. Oh, it's a skirt. This is a little bit grandma, I won't lie. It's a skirt that's, like, got a little frilly thing here at the bottom. This is a tiny bit grandma. Next up. Oh, this is another floral printed skirt. This one... This might be cute under a sweater, like a really long, baggy sweater, but this kind of floral print is just not my jam. Next. Sweatpants. Oh, sweat shorts? Sweat capris? Is this capri length? Knee length? Knee length? How long? What? This is not a stain, by the way. It says Reebok on it. Pockets. I'll try them on at the end if I feel like it. Yeah, this is the last one. This is the exact same one, but in a different color. It's got orange on the side. I'll put them on. This part will be edited out for PG reasons. They're capris. Let me tell you why capris annoy me. Because shaving. You either want to see your whole leg or none of your leg. If you're the type who shaves, you have to shave. But, like, you don't get to see your whole leg. So, like, you did all that work for nothing. Sweat capris. No. Let us look at prices. Goody box order. I put down a $10 deposit. The fluffy periwinkle skirt, $10. The other mini skirt was $10.99. The sweater with the big hearts is $18 at $17.99. Boat neck sweater deal, $11.99. Ooh, that sleeveless shirt is $5.99, and the sweater that I love and adore is $15. The bow sweater was $19, but I am returning it because it's not my size. Let's see, the polka dotted button down is $12.99. The tank top is $10. I ain't paying $10 for a tank top. Too expensive. Boy in the striped pajamas shirt was $15.99. Those sweat capris, they want $26 each for them. They were originally $71. For sweatpants. Who in their right mind would spend $71 on a pair of sweat capris? Or even just sweatpants. Or even just pants. I'm not wearing capris. Someone dropped something downstairs. Everything I want to keep is $52 total. Which means somebody's gonna have to go. $15. Stop it. $18. $6. I feel like I will get more use out of this than I will out of this, because I own a ton of flannel. So usually if I'm doing the like button-down shirt with like a t-shirt underneath, I'm going for flannel. So, and I mean, it might look good with like bow ties, but most of my bow ties have a pattern on them. Because this is polka dots, it's not gonna work out. So I'm sorry. I like this shirt a lot, but it's going away. The things that I want remaining are $40. Is that a good deal? What? Are you worth $18? Do you think I should keep these or not? Comment down below with your opinions, because I have yet to decide, and I have till Thursday to make up my mind. So tell me which ones you like. And I am 1000% getting this. Doesn't the $10 apply to this? So I think the $10 applies to your order. So in that case, this is $28.97. But that's a trick, because I totally paid that $10. It's a trick. So that is it for this box. I think they did a fantastic job. I have a code thing. It's not like an affiliate code or anything. It's just a code that they give everyone. Tell your friends. So I will put that down below if you want to go get your own. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Help me.